In this video, we are going to see that if you want to remove the saved password or autofill data in Google Chrome, which is already saved, and you just want to get rid of that due to whatever security reasons, here's what you can do. So on the top right, you can see this three-dotted icon. Just go ahead and click on that, and right here in the menu at the bottom, you will see this settings. Just click on that. And on the left hand side, we have a special section for it, autofill and passwords. Just go ahead and click on that. Go to Google Password Manager and you can see any password, but just make sure that you enter the PIN. So once we enter the PIN, we can delete any password that we want. So this is the username, this is the password. Let's delete this. And similarly, you can remove other passwords as well. You can also add different passwords if you want to for that particular site. Just enter the site username, passwords that you will use on that site. And similarly, if you just don't want to autofill your address, what you can do is just click on address and more, and you can toggle that off. Similarly, you can just go to the payment methods, especially these things are very important for security concerns. Save and fill payment methods, just uncheck that. And that is it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.